Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here, watching my videos all the time. Once again, I would like to thank you for your love and support that you given in my channel. In this video, I am collaborating with my friend inspired by Chanel for our 18th years of friendship. Chanel and I, we met in Hawaii 18 years ago, and we still have those relations as a really good friend. Even sometimes we have disagreements to each other, but we're overcome it and we talk it out, so that's called friendship. So right guys, this collaboration we are doing a Tiffany blue Easter tablescape, and this is the color that I really like, so I told her we're going to make a tablescape for inspiration on Easter. So to everyone who are watching my videos on my tablescape creation, as you know, sometimes I do eclectic, I do different color patterns, so please don't be afraid to experiment your color in your tablescape. If you're neutral, you can do neutral like gold, white, and your accent color. Same thing what I have here, so I'm doing the Tiffany blue, so I have the Tiffany blue color and white plate with the accent of gold. So this is what I am going for. So today guys, I am going to have a little bit chit chat about this tablescape. Alright, so to all people that been started in YouTube, don't be discouraged if your views are not that high, because I started that way. So 10 months ago, I joined my first collaboration for the tablescape, and it is the mental health tablescape that hosted by Candy of DIY Design by ZZW. At that time, I only have 8 subscribers, and I would like to shout out my friend, 2 friends that actually helped me out to upload my videos in YouTube, and also to help me out to create a YouTube channel. First, I would like to shout out Bisdak Gina. She is my Filipino friend that lives here also in Ohio, in Cleveland, Ohio. She visited me here in my home and we cook Filipino food, and she told me I need to create a YouTube channel. The first video that I uploaded here is the concert here in Minter, Ohio, and it was The Journey, which is my favorite band. That video, I believe, is only 3 minutes video. The second one, I think it is the Migrate Room, and I believe it's Easter, and it's also 3 minutes video. I don't know how to post a video, and also I don't know the way I film my video is instead of horizontal, I do it vertical. So I learned from that. Everyone, so maybe some of you don't know, I really love decorating, also the tablescape. So most of my creation, I always posted that on my Facebook page. It's my personal Facebook page, so people see my work there all the time. And it happened to, I created a tablescape, and this one is all $3 tablescape, and I see one invitation in YouTube, and that one is the mental health tablescape by CCW. And the tablescape that I made is actually the color of the open invitation, as on it's all ready to go. So I contacted my friend from Alabama, and I would like to shout out One-on-One Food Travel by Anna Williams that helped me to post my video at that time. So that's how I started from 8 subscribers and I joined a lot of collaboration. That's how I grow my channel. Welcome to my Tiffany Blue Easter Tablescape and I hope you enjoy.
Steady. Don't go too far now.
Alright guys, so let me go back to my story again. So May, I have 8 subscribers. And as I join a lot of collaboration, I gain more and more subscribers. And I put up a lot of content, my own content in my channel. And I noticed people liking those and I'm really grateful. So after 4 months, I reached the 1,000 subscribers since I started joining the collaboration. So everyone, my advice is just do what you love to do. Put up your content there. Either you can put up I think once a week. Mine is I put up 3 times a week. And sometimes I don't get a lot of views, but I never get disappointed. I just do what I can, and if people will like it and watch it, I am so happy. Being a YouTuber is a lot of works, and most of you guys can relate with this. We go to bed around 5 a.m. This is like 24 hours working. I remember that I seems like I'm back in the hospital working again. That's what I do way back in Hawaii. So yeah, it is a lot of work, and of course it's a lot of money that you spend. But luckily for me, because I already have most of the items in my stash, because I've been having collection for a while. So it really advantage in my decorating. And all of us, we have different niche. It happened that my niche in my channel is my tablescape. This is what I get known. And I know every one of you over there also have your own niche. So just concentrate on that. Also, set a goal what you're gonna do in your channel. This is exactly what I did on mine. Sometimes if I did not reach that goal, I keep moving and just continue what I love to do. I would like to thank every one of you here who are watching all the time. That all what I'm doing is actually for you guys. You inspired me to do better. And it makes me happy that I read all your comments all over the world, people that like my creation, and you know who you are. I really appreciate all your comments and wonderful words that you've been given to my channel. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to Inspired by Chanel's channel. You will love her creation as she always do a beautiful job on her channel. Inspired by Chanel started with me as well. Her first joining in collaboration is my first hosting of the Hollywood Glam Tablescape, and I encourage her to create more videos. That's how she started her YouTube channel. Alright everyone, I hope you like this video, and if you are, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned everyone. On Tuesday, I am having a close collaboration with LOFT Valley. Now, Chanel and I we are going to have a toast for our 18 years of friendship.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to?
I would like to make a toast with Chanel for our 18 years of friendship
The one that he
way back in Hawaii. So, alright girl, let's make a toast.
I wonder
I have leftover of my Merlot here. I thrifted this from Goodwill and it's from Pier 1 and it's in Tulog Gorgeous. Alright, Chanel, happy 18 years of friendship. Wishing you good health and more success and healthier life. Love you. Oh, that was good.